And the family of Hunter Brittain watching developments very closely and, of course, waiting for a verdict. Our Gary Burton Jr. spoke with a family member tonight. Gary, what's the overall feeling?
Well, Donna, it's been 267 days since 17-year-old Hunter Brittain was shot and killed by Lonoke County Deputy Michael Davis at a traffic stop at an auto repair shop here in Cabot. But at the least, it will be 268 days until the jury reaches their verdict. Now, the jury will reconvene tomorrow morning at 9 a.m., and it is expected that they will reach a verdict tomorrow. Now, I spoke with the aunt of Hunter Brittain on the family's confidence that the jury will vote in favor of justice for Hunter. Her comment was, quote, "I'm not jinxing myself and the others." And by the others, she meant her family members. She describes this trial as emotionally draining, but wants the jury to take their time and make the right decision.
In the beginning, they told us that it could lead into Monday and Tuesday of next week. So, I mean, we definitely don't want them to rush their decision. So.
And she adds that it means the world to her and her family to have so much support from the community during this trial. And once again, the jury will reconvene at 9 a.m. tomorrow morning. Stay updated with us with Fox 16 as we will bring you the latest on air and online. Reporting live in Cabot, I'm Gary Burton Jr. Back to you.